Welcome to Bioinformatics Explained, from DNA to Discovery. Today, we'll unravel the fascinating world of bioinformatics. This field is transforming our understanding of life itself, leading to groundbreaking insights that affect us all. Imagine a world where diseases are cured faster, crops are more resilient, and personalized medicine is a reality. This isn't science fiction, it's the impact of bioinformatics. Hidden within every cell is a vast ocean of information, a language of life waiting to be deciphered. Prepare to be amazed as we explore bioinformatics. Let's begin by unveiling life's digital language. Imagine your body's instruction manual, millions of pages long. We'll start by understanding what DNA really is, the fundamental blueprint of life. The sheer scale of genetic information is mind-boggling. The Human Genome Project laid the groundwork for needing powerful computational tools to make sense of this data. But how do we go from A, T, C, G to understanding disease, developing new medicines, or even tracing our ancestry? This is where our journey into bioinformatics truly begins. Now, let's explore the dawn of computational biology. Forget beakers and microscopes for a moment. Enter the world of algorithms and databases. Bioinformatics is the exciting intersection of biology, computer science, and statistics. Think of it as translating biological questions into a language computers can understand. Early tools like sequence alignment revealed hidden patterns. Next, we'll dive into decoding the genome, exploring the powerful tools and techniques used today. Today's bioinformatics landscape features essential tools, like next-generation sequencing analysis, allowing us to read entire genomes at lightning speed. From understanding gene expression to protein folding, complex algorithms simulate biological processes. Publicly available databases like GenBank and UniProt are critical repositories for researchers worldwide. Now let's see bioinformatics in action through real-world discoveries. This isn't just theory, it's transforming our world. Personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on an individual's unique genetic makeup, is a groundbreaking application. From tracking viral outbreaks like COVID-19 to accelerating drug discovery for cancer and rare diseases, bioinformatics is at the forefront of medical innovation. Finally, let's look at the future of discovery: AI, big data, and beyond. The journey is far from over, it's accelerating. The convergence of bioinformatics with artificial intelligence and machine learning predicts a new era of unprecedented insights. Imagine AI systems designing novel proteins or predicting disease outbreaks with incredible accuracy. This field is constantly evolving, offering immense opportunities, and its possibilities are truly limitless.